Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to book KLM Stopover. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the home, my trip, check-in and information. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, and in the very middle of the screen, we have the option to go and book a flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and book KLM stopover. So enter the departure city, destination, and travel dates to search for available flights. So you can do it here in the book a flight option. When searching for flights, look for the option to add a stopover. This is usually available during the flight search process. Select the city where you want to make stopover. KLM offers stopovers in several hub cities like Amsterdam, Paris, and Rome. Choose the number of days you want to stay in the stopover city. KLM allows stopovers of more than 24 hours. Follow the prompts to complete your booking, including passenger details and payment. Booking a stopover with KLM allows you to explore a new city without needing a separate ticket, making your journey more exciting and giving you a chance to experience a new destination along the way. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.